Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing this gorgeous my go-to winter glam. I don't have that many shadows on my eyes. I just have like a bronzer and a highlight. And obviously to make this look a little bit more glam, I did add a red lipstick. So if you guys want to see how I create this look and if you guys would like to recreate it, then just keep on watching. I'm going to start off by applying a little bit of moisturizer to my skin. When I'm going to do a very natural skin like makeup, I do like to take care of my skin a little bit more than usual when I'm going to be doing like a full coverage one, because I do like to focus on my skin a little bit more. Then I'm going to hydrate my under eye area with this e.l.f. eye illuminating cream. I love this stuff. It works really good. But it does say that it helps with dark circles. I do not see it helping my dark circles, but it does really hydrate under my eye, and I really do like it. I'm just gonna be swiping it upwards. You do not want to tug so much on your under eye area, just because that area is very sensitive, and it's you do want to prevent wrinkles, obviously, because you don't want to be looking old. Then before I apply my foundation, I do like to apply like a salmon, like a darker tone concealer before applying it, just to hide my dark circles just a little bit. It does seem like I am applying a lot of concealer, but I'm applying just a little bit, and I will be blending it out using a synthetic brush. All the products used and all the brushes used, I will leave them down below just because I can remember the number all of them when I'm doing my voiceovers. So I'm just using a synthetic brush just to blend out the concealer, just to cancel the discoloration under there. And then after I finish blending that all out, I will be going into my foundation. For my foundation, I'm going to be using my Wet n Wild Photo Focus foundation. I do like to mix two. I'm using Desert Beige and medium beige or something like that. I'll put the right shades down below, and I'm using a Real Techniques foundation brush. I do like to apply my liquid foundation first with a brush. I'm not blending it with the brush. I'm not blending it with the brush. I'm gonna be just applying it and distributing it all over my face, and then I will be going into my damp beauty sponge. It's not a real beauty blender, but it's a really good sponge by Kenya Beauty. I will leave it linked below, and then I will press the foundation more into my skin, and now it will get rid of all the streakiness that brushes do leave, and it will absorb all the foundation that your skin doesn't need, so it won't look too heavy or cakey, or it won't settle into your fine lines and wrinkles. Then when I'm done blending my foundation with a damp beauty sponge, I will be applying my concealer. I'm using my Maybelline Fitme Concealer. I do like my Maybelline Fitme Concealer because it's a little bit more hydrating and it's not as drying. But I do like the Photo Focus Concealer by Wet n Wild because of the coverage. But if I wear it by itself, it's very dry under my eyes and it doesn't look very pleasing. So that's why I do like applying the Maybelline first, and then on top I apply the Wet n Wild one just because the coverage is better. And then again, I will be blending that out using that synthetic brush I use to blend out the concealer I put in the bottom to cancel out my discoloration. And to set my concealer, I'm going to be going into my CoverGirl Loose Powder in the shade Translucent 115. I think this is like the medium tone, just because these do have a little bit of color. They do say translucent, but I feel like it does have a little bit of color. But I love the way it looks under my eye. It's not as heavy as the Airspun, because the Airspun can look a little bit drying under the eye. So I just use my airspan all over my face, but not under my eye. Then I'm gonna be setting my liquid foundation using this LA Girl Press Matte Powder, and then just adding the color back to my skin just because I did look a little bit washed off. And I'm using a Wet n Wild powder brush. You can find these at Walgreens and Walmart. I believe I did buy mine online, but I have seen them in stores, and I love these brushes because they are $1, I believe. I think the big brushes are $3, and the little like eye brushes are $1, and they are amazing. So if you guys want to go to a Walmart and buy them, then I'm gonna bronze and sculpt my skin, and I'm using the same LA Girl Press Matte Powder, just like in a darker shade. I believe this shade is Warm Caramel. I'll leave the right shade down below, and I'm just starting to bronze my skin. Just where the sun naturally hits you, like your cheekbones, the side of their head, and if you want, you can contour your double chin if you're a big girl like me. But I don't like doing that just because it looks a little bit muddy down there, so I just avoid it. So I just scope out my cheekbones. Now I'm gonna be cleaning my contour using my Airspun translucent powder, and I'm just using a damp beauty sponge just because I want the powder to melt into my skin, and obviously I will leave it there for a couple of minutes. Then I'm gonna go to my eyes. I'm gonna be going back into my bronzer, that matte press powder by Ella Girl, and just give my eye a little bit of dimension just because I'm not gonna be wearing shadows, but I do want something in my eye just because I don't have a very pronounced crease, so this will help my eyes a little bit more. And I'm just using a little Morphe M511 just to blend this color into my crease and up to my brow bone. And then I'm going to be going into this ColourPop iluvsarahii collection. This is the shade Vivacious or Vivalicious or something like that. And I'm just gonna be applying this all over my lid. This is a glittery like skin it doesn't have color. It's just very glittery. I'm just gonna be applying this all over my lid just to open up my eyes a little bit more and just to have a little pop of something just because I'm gonna be wearing a lot on my eyes. And then I am gonna be applying a liner just like a base. I'm not gonna be showing you guys just because everybody knows how to do liner, but I am going to be applying a liner, and then I'm going to be applying my lashes. Then I'm going to be going into this Kat Von D Shaded Light Contour Palette and grabbing those two shades and giving my cheekbones a little bit more dimension just because the bronzer, it just pretty much warms up your skin, but I do want more visible cheekbones because you guys know I am a thick girl and I need visible cheekbones. So I'm just going to be grabbing this Morphe M524 brush and just blend it into the hollows of my cheeks just to give it a little more pop to my face. I'm going to be going into this Wet n Wild Mega Glow highlighter. This is in the shade Precious Petals. You guys know I've been in love with this highlighter for the past, I think, year or something or so, and I'm just gonna be applying it to where you normally highlight, where's the top of the cheekbones, tip of your nose, cupid's bow, and your forehead if you want to. And as always, I'm using my favorite highlighting brush, which is my Morphe M501. If you guys do want another recommendation, I do recommend the Morphe M510. It's just more of a natural hair. Here's where I apply my lashes. I didn't show the part where I applied my liner just to create a base because I do wear black eyelash glue, so if I didn't wear liner it would just be like a hot mess. So I did apply a black liner just to create a base for my lashes, and I'm just using some tweezers from the beauty supply store that I bought. They come like in a little pack and they're just like $3. Then I'm going to be applying that bronzer to my lower lash line. I don't want very dramatic on lower lash line, so I'm just going to be applying this bronzer down there just to add a little bit of depth and color. And I will be applying I'll be grabbing that same highlight shade I used in my lid, which is the Vivalicious by ColourPop and iluvsarahii, and highlight my inner tear duct just to open up my eyes a little bit more because I do want to be look awake, and have my eyes a little bit more open, and then highlight my tear duct area and my cuticle. I feel like I've said this already, or I don't know. This is where I apply mascara to my lower lash lines. Uh, I do want to apply it to my top lines just to stick my natural lashes to the false lashes, just because you guys never see my real lashes, but I don't have long lashes. I think because I've been wearing a false lashes for so long, but my lower lashes and my top lashes have always been like really, really, really small. So I like to apply a little bit more mascara than usual, which it never works. It just looks clumpy, but this is what I do all the time, and I hope you guys like what I do. I don't think my lashes are ever gonna grow, but we'll see what happens. Maybe one day my dream will come true. I'll have gorgeous lashes like Jacqueline Hill or like Carly Bible or something. Oh, and I'm using the Maybelline Bombshell Mascara. And then here, I'm just going to be applying a red lip liner on my entire lips. This is a very, very, very simple glam. So that's why I did wanted to add the drama on the lips. So I'm just going to be applying this lip liner by Italia Cosmetics. You guys do know I've been using Italia Cosmetics for like couple of years now. I've been using Tele Cosmetics for like probably like 4 years, and I love their lip liners. Their lip liners are like MAC dupe lip liners. Oh, and this is in the shade Rich Red, and this is the only thing that I'm going to be using. And these lip liners are very comfortable, and they're not drying. Where I buy them in my beauty supply store. They are $1, but I have seen them in other places where they're like $2. But just go to your nearest beauty supply store, and then you can buy them there. And then I'm going to be finishing this look with a little bit of setting spray by Kenya Ontiveros, which I really love. It's the Vitamin Mist. I will leave it down below. Well guys, this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoy watching this tutorial. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like this video, and leave me comments down below on what videos would you like to see next. Also, all the products used and mentioned during this video will be down in the description box, as well as all my social media, so you guys can follow me there. Thank you guys so much for watching this tutorial, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!